Start by measuring 550 grams of soft flour and place it in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 egg, 80 milliliters of oil, reserve 20 milliliters for later, and 250 milliliters of warm milk. Add 7 grams of dry yeast, then mix everything. Before kneading, add a pinch of salt. And continue mixing with a spoon. Gently knead the dough, pressing with your fingers. Avoid pressing too much in the center as it's sticky. Once the dough is almost kneaded, pour in the reserved 20 milliliters of oil and continue kneading until the oil is incorporated. The oil will help bind the dough, making it less sticky. When kneaded, it should look like this. Cover it with a cloth and let it rest. Cover it with a cloth and let it rest. Let the dough rest for 30 to 60 minutes. Prepare the filling. 500 milliliters of milk, heat until boiling. While waiting, place 400 grams of ground poppy seeds in a bowl. Add 300 grams of sugar. Adjust sugar to taste. Mix well. If using mixed poppy seeds, use less sugar. Pure poppy seeds require 300 grams of sugar. Not too sweet. Add jam to the poppy seeds. Choose your preferred jam. Use more for thicker jam, less for thinner. About 4 to 5 tablespoons. I use homemade pomegranate jam. Usually I use plum jam. Any jam will work. Once the milk boils, slowly pour and mix with the poppy seed mixture. If using pre-mixed poppy seeds and sugar, use less milk. If the filling is too thin, add a tablespoon or 2 of semolina while hot. Let the filling cool while the dough rises. Dust the work surface with flour, then take out the dough. Divide it into 2 parts. Shape one part into a ball and return it to the bowl. Roll out the other part. First, shape it into a rectangle by hand. Then roll it out with a rolling pin. Roll the dough thinly. Spread half of the poppy seed mixture on the dough. But how? Cut the dough in half. Then spread the mixture on each half. Leave a small part empty. Now roll the dough. The top part was left empty to make it easier to seal and prevent leaks. Cut each roll into pieces. Use any cutter you have. Place the rolls on a baking tray. A little dough, a lot of filling. Roll and fill the second part of the dough the same way. Whisk an egg, then brush the rolls. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and let the rolls rest while the oven heats. The rolls are baked. Baking time is 20 minutes. Let them cool, then dust with powdered sugar. Enjoy!